Mindy and Del's litter of puppies, and it's their birthday today. They're 6 weeks of age. And they're happy puppies. Yeah. Everybody go potty. We just let them out. Everybody go tinkle. They're well along in their way for housebreaking, keeping their pens clean. Yeah, they wait until we let them out on the lawn. Yeah. Find your toys. Find the toys you want. They say, we want a human. We want to chase her. Such happy, happy puppies. Yeah, I put a little swimming pool in your outdoor pen today, yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. With puppies, everybody go potty. My goodness, I swear you guys have doubled in size in a week. Yeah, you're big dogs now. Yes, you are. Oh, tug of war. Hi, cutie. It's really hard for me not to have a smile on my face all day long. They bring a lot of joy. They really do. The best co-workers in the world. Oh my. Come on, puppies. Puppy, puppy, puppies. I want to remind people that when you first bring your puppies home, for the first week, don't introduce that collar right away. There's a lot of new stimulus in that first week, new home, new environment, separation anxiety from the litter mates, new everything, new schedule. And at that age, when we send them there, they follow you around very easily. You really don't need to put a collar on yet. And typically what people don't realize is when they put the collar on the puppy, it's the first time the puppy's ever worn anything on their neck. And so they'll spend the next 2 days scratching at their neck. And inevitably I get people that call a day after picking up their puppy and say, oh my goodness, my puppy's scratching. I wonder if he has fleas. And usually my response is, take that new cute little collar off and try again next week when puppy's had a time to adjust to all the new stimulus in its life. And then you can put that collar on and you can expect the first couple days they're going to scratch away trying to figure out how to get whatever seems to be attached to them off. But they adjust to wearing a collar in a couple days and it's not a problem. We got a big tug of war going on over here. It's over the pheasant. Did you win? Hi, cutie.